اتين مغربي.
ايوه.
في هذا الفيديو معنا جيمي مستر بيست وغنخليه يجرب اتاي مغربي. Let's go.
I'm excited.
We do a lot of challenge in the world.
Okay.
Now you have a challenge.
Oh,
You know the challenge?
yeah, like, and see how high I can go.
And then taste it and rate it. 3, 2, 1. Up, 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 up. Stop, stop, stop,
Oh,
stop.
Okay. Oh wait, you want some too?
Me, thank you. Brother, you are not Moroccan. Brother, you are not Moroccan. Wait, brother, not like
What's
this.
wrong? What's wrong?
Okay,
It's it.
go. Stop. Stop.
Bro, that's bucket.
What stop?
That's bucket.
What stop.
Okay.
Say to the camera, اتاي مغربي.
Atem Greavy.
مغربي.
Atem Magribi.
ايوه.
Cheers.
Let's go. No, not cheers.
Whoa.
Not cheers.
That's not a thing in
yes,
your culture?
اتاي مغربي.
Atem Magribi.
Let's go. واو عجبو. Oh my god. صافي عجبو. المهمة تمت بلا نجاح. How is it? How is it? No,
Actually, really good.
good.
I meant to ask you. It has a little bit of a mint taste. It's actually
Yes.
good. Yeah.
Mint,
What
mint,
flavor?
Mint with tea, with a little bit of sugar.
Yeah, I could taste. It was a little sweet. I liked
Yes,
it.
yeah.
It's-
Rated 0 to 10.
I'd give it an 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
Not 10?
Well, I mean, I'm
Give
a,
me brother.
we have soda.
Magribi,
I mean,
10
come
out
on.
of 10.
If the 10's a soda, it tastes good, but you know.